In today's video, I'm building a Wi-Fi controlled mini robot tank. I have used an ESP8266 to connect it to Wi-Fi, my own ESP8266 Shield, two N20 Gear Motor, an L293D Motor Driver Module, and a 3D printed robot chassis. This video is going to be really exciting, so stay tuned. Before we can get started, a big thanks to LGPCB for sponsoring this video. More about them later. First, we need a robot chassis. I have 3D printed the entire chassis and you can do the same using the LGPCB 3D printing service. Just upload the STL file, place your order and you good to go. Now, let's assemble the chassis. And here you go, it's ready. Now we need an ESP8266 to control our robot over Wi-Fi, and I will be using my own custom ESP8266 Shield which I have designed in my previous video, so link in the description, we can check it out. And to drive our motors, I am going to use my own L293D Motor Driver which I have designed. So now it's time to order our PCB. And I'm going to order these PCBs from LGPCB because they offer $30 off on their 6-layer PCB. If your PCB size is below 100 mm, you can order them for just $35. And if your PCB size is below 50 mm, you can get them for just $2. Ordering is super simple. Simply upload the Governor file and after it uploaded, choose the PCB quantity and choose your color and leave the rest setting as it was, and then simply click on the add to cart and check out. Your PCB will be arrived within 1 to 2 weeks. I have received my PCB in just 1 week, and as you can see, I order a lot. That means more exciting projects are coming soon. And as you can see, the 6-layer PCB quality is amazing. So now let's assemble the PCB. So first I will assemble all the SMT components of our L293D motor driver. Once that done, I will move to the through-hole components like IC base, screw terminals, voltage regulator and header pins. One by one, I will solder everything. Finally, at last, I will insert the L293D motor driver IC. Now it's time for final assembly. So all our components are ready, including ESP8266, my modified ESP8266 Shield, motor driver, robot chassis and a 5V battery pack. So let's put everything together. Once it's assembled, it's time to upload the code to our ESP8266. And here is the code for Wi-Fi robot. Simply click on the upload, and before that, you have to change your SSID and password. So I will do that and upload it. And once it's done, as you can see, we get a web server. Now our mini robot tank is connected to Wi-Fi, and as you can see on the display, it shows the robot's movement. I will control it using my mobile phone, and here is the web server interface. So let's test it. As you can see, it's working perfectly. The response is very smooth and it performs really well. Not only you can control it using your mobile phone, but also you can as you can see, it's working perfectly and the response is very smooth and it's performed really well. Not only can you control it with your mobile phone, but also you can control it from your laptop. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget to check out LGPCB, link in the video description. So see you in that next project.